Very important topic, gaps. So this concept says whenever you see a gap up, has to be a big gap up or a moderate one. Whenever you see a big gap up or gap down, market tend to come down to fill that gap. Whenever there is a gap up, market will come down to fill this gap, and whenever there is a gap down, market will come to fill this gap, like in these two charts. However, when this gap will be filled, it can be filled on the same day or in a week time or maybe in a month time. But there is a certainty that the gap which is created by a gap down or gap up, it can happen in the live market also during the trading session when the volatility is very high. So there is a huge chance that the gaps will be filled on the same day. However, keep your mind open. If it is not filled, it will be filled in coming days. If there is a gap up or gap down in the market, price action candles will definitely come back to fill that gap. However, it can be filled immediately or during the same trading day or the next day or next week or even in months. The point to understand here is the market doesn't like gaps. The market doesn't like gaps and they will be filled eventually. So very important concept to understand.